This sapphire blue crochet design blends geometric precision with soft handmade texture, creating a bold yet elegant centerpiece for any modern home. Earthy terracotta tones combined with tribal crochet patterns create a warm, grounded look, perfect for cozy spaces with a natural, boho-inspired vibe. This lavender crochet design brings a soft and calming atmosphere to your space, with delicate floral patterns that feel light, elegant, and timeless. Black and gold create a striking contrast, while the detailed crochet pattern adds depth and richness, making this design a true statement piece. Inspired by ocean waves, this aqua crochet design brings a fresh and airy feel, perfect for creating a calm and relaxing coastal atmosphere. Bold mustard tones paired with charcoal create a striking modern contrast, while the geometric crochet pattern adds a clean, contemporary feel. This multicolor crochet design uses vibrant yarn combinations in a patchwork style, bringing energy, creativity, and a joyful handmade touch to your space. Inspired by snowflake patterns, this ice blue crochet design feels light and refreshing, perfect for creating a calm, clean, and elegant environment. This olive green crochet design takes inspiration from natural leaf patterns, giving your space a peaceful, earthy, and organic feel. This soft pink crochet design features delicate frill borders and tiny bows, creating a sweet and elegant look, perfect for cozy home decor. This peach crochet design uses ribbon-style bows with soft frill edges, giving a gentle, romantic touch to your table setting. Layered frills with soft lavender tones create a dreamy and graceful look, while the tiny bows add a delicate finishing touch. This white crochet design combines fine lace, soft frills, and elegant bows, creating a timeless and luxurious table decor piece. This baby blue crochet design features soft frills and playful bows, bringing a cozy, fresh, and charming vibe to your space. This design features soft 3D roses with pearl detailing and delicate bows, creating a romantic and elegant crochet masterpiece for your table. Peach tones with 3D blossoms and pearl accents bring a soft luxury feel, while the bows and lace edges complete the elegant look. This lavender design combines floral textures with pearls and bows, giving a dreamy and graceful vibe to your home decor. Mint tones with soft pink roses and pearl details create a fresh and elegant look, perfect for a calm and stylish home setting. This ivory crochet design blends pearls, flowers, and bows beautifully, creating a timeless and luxurious decor piece. Baby blue tones with floral pearls and tiny bows add a soft charm, making this design feel cozy, fresh, and beautifully handmade. Dusty rose tones with vintage-style 3D flowers create a soft, royal look, while pearls and bows add timeless elegance to the design. Champagne gold shades with pearl chains and floral blooms create a rich luxury vibe, perfect for elegant and sophisticated table decor. This coral-inspired crochet design blends ocean colors with floral textures, while pearls and bows give it a fresh and artistic feel. Deep plum shades with layered flowers and pearl vines create a royal garden look, enhanced by delicate bows and fine lace details. This buttercream design features soft daisy flowers with pearl centers, creating a warm, cheerful, and inviting crochet look. Teal and silver tones bring a modern luxury feel, while structured floral forms and pearls add depth and elegance. This blush pink design feels light and magical with tiny flowers and pearls, while soft bows and frills complete its fairy-like elegance. Rustic beige tones with wildflower crochet details create a natural charm, while pearls and bows add a soft, handcrafted elegance.